Afternoon guys, Cole here from Kaz and Cole's Caravanning Adventures. Right, well, this is our base for the night. We've done about 210 miles from Port Grimaud to here. Les Foulons camping. There's about 4 campsites more or less adjacent to each other. It's about 3 miles from Tournon Rhône. So if you go down into the town, you're on the River Rhône. When you come down here, this is the River Doux, spelled D-O-U-X. So I chose the campsite because it was only about 5 miles off the A7 as we're actually travelling back up north now. So this is the serious bit of the arrival video. I'll put the silly bit on in a bit because we've had a little walk down to the riverside. We had a little walk down because it was forecast thunderstorms and rain. So I'll just have a walk through and show you what is available. As I say, it's ideal. So there's 4 actually campsites sort of more or less adjacent to each other on this road. So pick and choose the one that suits you. I mean, we haven't got an Axie book or anything, so we got this from Pitch Up. So I'm walking in. A lovely lady on reception, speaks good English. Bar and restaurant there. It's about 6 o'clock now. It's not actually open at the moment. You've got a swimming pool, people sort of having a quiet time over in the swimming pool, so I won't bother disturb their peace, but they've got a swimming pool there. Lovely views. You're actually in the Ardèche natural forest area, wherever that is. I think I've seen a sign for that. The Doux Gorge. Reception area. There's a little shop in there as well. Got a few statics around. These are the pictures here. I asked the lady how much what the amps were. We've got previous for blowing it. It's actually 10 amps on here. When we were at what was it, Saint Montrond on that one, it was only 5 amps, and we actually managed to blow the post electrics on that one. So I didn't want that to happen again. Okay, so these are the pictures. What's the date? I've got to work it out actually. It's August. Oh no, it's not. It's actually September now. September the 3rd. So we're doing a 3-day trip from Port Grimaud, Saint-Tropez area, up to Calais. 210 miles today, 240 tomorrow, and then we got a long one to about half an hour from Calais. Guinea, Chateau Le BS and BS, something like that. I'll put the links in because we've actually stayed on some of these sites before. There's our setup there. The fridge had warmed up by the time we got here, but I've done my Heath Robinson bit, so you can see that, and the fridge has gone down to nearly 0 degrees and we've only been here a couple of hours. It's got rid of all the hot air. Hello in there. Did you hear that? She said, "Don't you come in here, babe." Yeah, we've had a walk down already actually, so that was the silly bit. Football pitches, volleyball over there. You hear the crickets. Just walk down to the river, show you that. Yeah, it's just a pity we're only here for one night, because it would be great to actually do a bit of exploring in this area. There's more to France than what you think. Just walk down the river bank just a little bit. Hope you're enjoying the views. There's a tourist train from the town. I don't know how far it runs, but when we were walking earlier I could hear it. Choo-chooing, tourist train. We passed some river boats as well when we were in the town, on the banks of the River Rhone. Okay, so thanks very much for watching the videos, guys, as always. If you haven't subscribed and you like the videos, then please do so. I really do appreciate it. And don't forget to sort of like and share and hit that notification button. So I'm signing off now. This is Camping Les Foulons, sorry, should I say? I'll say that again. Camping Les Foulons, Tournon sur Rhone. I suppose it's spelt Tour non sur Rhone, so I don't know whether I'm actually saying that right. Just off junction 13 on the A17, sorry, A7, going north, just past Valence. Bye bye, and thanks very much for watching.